In this video, we will see how to fetch products from Shopify store by using Shopify Admin GraphQL API, and we will see how to create the access token with their new dev dashboard system. So we will see how we get the access token and how we make the API call with that. So let's get started from the start. I will go to my store and click on the settings, and after that I will click on the apps and then click on the develop app, then build app in dev dashboard. So we need to make a app to generate the Shopify access token. So you can name it anything. I will say admin API and click on the create button. After that, we need to define the scopes. What kind of scopes do we need? So let's say we need products read and write scopes, and inventory read and write scopes. You can select as many as you need, but for this tutorial I will select only these two, and these will be written over here. You can give the comma and you can write more if you need more scopes, or you can select them from the pop-up. So like this, you can read customer, write customers. So you can give the comma separated, and then you can write the scopes over here as well. And then you will click on release, and it will release the new version. Currently we are creating the temporary Shopify access token. So if you would like to create a permanent, that is a different way. So to generate the access token, we need to install this app in our store. So I will click on install and select my store where I would like to add this app. So now it is asking me the permissions, so I will click on install. I am okay with that, and once the app is installed, you need to go back to the Postman and make a new request to fetch the access token. So you will send a request at your store. This is your store name. Copy this and paste that over here. https:/your store name dot my shopify .com/admin, yes, /admin /auth/access underscore token. So this is the endpoint where you will be making the post request. Your store name dot my shopify dot admin /admin/auth/access token, along with some params. So you will be sending these params like grant type and then client ID and client secret. So grant type would be client credentials. That will be the value will be the client credentials. Client ID, you can get the client ID from your app. Go to the settings and then copy client ID from here and paste the client ID over here, and similarly copy the client secret and paste that over here. Now I think we are okay with that. Let me confirm. Yes, so we are okay. Now let's try to send this post request, and you can see we have right customer, right inventory, and right product access. and this is our access token. Now let's make another API call to fetch the products from Shopify. To post the request at your store, you need to copy your store URL and paste that over here, and then we will be making the request at this endpoint. Let me explain to you. So that will be /admin/API, then the API version 2026-01, then GraphQL.json. So this is where we will send the GraphQL Admin API request along with headers. In the header, we will be sending X Shopify access token. Okay, so the key will be X Shopify -access token, and we can copy the access token from here, and in the body we will send the GraphQL query. So let me copy that query as well from the body. I will explain to you. So this is our query. So this is the name of our query, get products, and then we have product function. We will get first 10 products, and inside node we need only ID and title. And if I make this request, I will be able to fetch 10 products of my store. And if I need only one, you can change that to 1, and this time you will get only one product. And if I need more fields like tags, category or description HTML, I can make the changes over here and send the request again, and this time I get the tags as well, and description is empty, so we get the empty string. So this is whole process to generate the Shopify access token and make the API calls. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.